Morning, everyone. Got a little truck update for everybody. So, got a little work done last night. Made some lines up for the motor. Motor's almost ready to be dropped in. Just got to clean off the truck, and we should be able to start putting it in hopefully tonight or tomorrow. So, here's the truck. As you see, we got the bed off. Got as much rust off and painted as possible. Basically been sitting here for a couple months, so motor's completely gone. There's that nice trans. Just got to get all of that degreased so we can get her put back in. So oh boys, here she is. Brand new long block with everything from my old motor on it. It's got a keyed crate, keyed cam, and something else I forgot where. It's from Hicksville, Ohio, from the salvage yard over there, and they rebuilt the motor entirely. So we spent last night doing this line, hooking up all the rest of the fuel lines. So we should be able to put it in, old one. And finally, the thing that caused all this, my old crank. It's right here, and then that piston is seized. It don't move. So that's everything wrong. There's everything for the truck, the car behind everything, all nice and dirty. So I gotta grab that garden hose, and I gotta go out and I gotta wash the truck off. Hey, what's going on, guys? So it's a couple weeks after the previous clip. We had to come back after our little pass, and now we're going on leave. And we've got about 400 miles left, a little under 7 hours. Should be home about 11 o'clock. And then hopefully next 16 days, the motor's in the truck, so just get everything else put on the motor, and then truck bed should be done either this weekend or sometime mid next week, so I should be able to put that on, and then I'll have the truck back. Till then, I'll be driving my Chevelle when we get home. I'll drive that for as much as possible because I miss driving that car. It's so fun. But I'll catch up with you guys when I get back home. And right there is. Hey, good morning, everyone, or should I say afternoon in this case. A couple days since my last clip. A lot of progress. Motor's in, mounted, everything's grounded, fuel lines are hooked up, batteries are in, be checked, there's no fuel leaks, nothing. We got nice braided fuel lines. Only thing we got all the brakes, new brake lines bled. We just got to get new bushings for the core support, bleed the power steering lines, hook everything back up, check for everything else leaks. Got the core support mostly cleaned up, so that should be ready to go in sometime this week. As soon as we get that. Here she is. All nice, washed, waxed, polished.